Kush administration.
Gotti, what's poppin'? You straight, my boy?
Gotti, go on the track.
You know, I'm cushing it.
Ham on the boards.
These niggas ain't shit and these bitches ain't either. We the realest motherfuckers coming through your speakers.
It's good.
Bees killing tracks, big bees killing tracks. We bees killing tracks, big bees killing tracks. Bitches ain't shit and these niggas ain't either. We the realest motherfuckers coming through your speakers. We bees killing tracks, big bees killing tracks. We bees killing tracks, big bees killing tracks.
They saying Cali, Cali, Cali. The cushy be from Cali. Scaling by the trash can and serving in the alley. Pockets work at Bally's. If you want the beef, nigga, we can rally. Nigga, we can riot. And if you want the lyrics, believe that I supply it. I'm killing all the shit. Please, a moment of silence. 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 Okay, party, 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 murking rappers, so not sorry. Too ahead of my time. You are stretching while I'm starting, or I'm eating while you're starving. And if your life's a movie, why is Cali starring?
Niggas ain't shit and these hoes ain't either. We the realest motherfuckers coming out your speakers. I bees killing tracks, bees killing tracks. I bees killing tracks, bees killing tracks. Okay, I'm Goldie, leaning, moving slowly, blowing on some OG while I'm ducking from the police. And I'm busting at you phonies, cooking beef like raviolis. Got your bitch wet in the chonies and I'm loaded, bitch, blow me. Money, money, money. You broke hoes is funny. I'm shining, looking sunny.